traders, Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, your daily market update for Forex Gold. It is Tuesday, the 17th day of August, and this is the daily report. Forex Gold currently trading at 1225.74. Over in the COMEX, we're at 1228 even, and that's basis the December contract. Interesting scenario right now brewing in the market. We've gotten a set of double dojis now. Let's take that one out and take a look at the activity here. We've got a doji here and a doji here. That's in the COMEX. If we go over into the Forex markets, again, we have this double set of dojis. They're both in an evening or gapped above position, but without some sort of confirmation, we cannot tell yet if this particular wave has ended. Traders, here's what I'm finding interesting. Do I think we're finding a potential top to this B wave, and we're going to go into that final corrective wave, that C wave down? My personal sentiment right now is, first, when we look at our weekly charts in the Forex Gold, you notice it's just above this 61% retracement level. And because of that, being at that level and being before this 76, I think that somewhere in between this area is when we're going to see some sort of a bottom activity. At the same time, when we go over to our daily charts, these dojis and the fact that it has really butted up against this record top that we had on December right in here. Go ahead and highlight that for us. And if, of course, we extend that line over, you're going to notice that we are currently right at that area. So I think that in terms of technical history, that's the way I like to call it, but in terms of technical history, I think that right now there is a probability that we could be, in fact, coming to the top of this wave. Traders, I will tell you this. The way this doji is acting right now, it's coming back to basically unchanged 1225.16. When we look at our Fibonacci numbers here, as I said, typically that B wave 50 to 75%. This is 61 and 76 are classic Fibonacci numbers. We're right within that one particular area. The second technical piece of evidence, as we just talked about a few seconds ago, is the fact that we are right on this historical high. I think that technically that bears some fruit. So what's a potential scenario? We would obviously need to see confirmation. Without confirmation, we cannot react to it. But if we do get confirmation of this particular doji coming down, because we did not on the Friday. On the Friday, we just had it go up, up, and away. If this is just a consolidation, it's going to go ahead and make that stab for 1237. However, if it finds resistance, as I'm seeing right now, my sentiment is that the market will come down on an irregular, possibly to about 1180, and on a flat to about 1160. I personally don't think that the market has enough bearish potential right now to actually go in and do what we call a zigzag, which would be the standard correction to make a lower low than we made on the bottom of this A wave. My personal sentiment is that somewhere around 1180 and 1160 will be where the market finds support if, in fact, we get this C wave down. This has been Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com. As always, wishing you good trading, and we will talk to you tomorrow on Wednesday. Bye-bye.